Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a Chevy Silverado by Maisto. I don't know the year because it doesn't say anywhere, it just says Chevy Silverado under license. So this was given to me by someone. I think they had it for a long time. As you can see, the paint is all worn out. Wheels are still in good shape and they have suspension. At least some of them work. Silver paint, which is really bad shape. No details front or back. What I'm gonna try to maybe try my best. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna try to repaint this body. First I'm gonna I have to disassemble this one, dismantle this one, and tires seem to be in nice shape, so I might not need to change those, but I definitely need to repaint it. And once I repaint it, which I've never done, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, then I'm going to try and detail headlamp, grill, tail lamp, all that kind of stuff, and it might turn out good or really bad. I don't know, just stay tuned. I think I might, well, it's going to take some time. As I get some time off, whenever I can, then try to work on this one. So stay tuned, wait for next parts to see the progress on this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.